In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an online course for free with System.io. Start by logging into your System.io account. Once you are inside the dashboard, move your cursor to the Products section in the top menu and then click Courses. This will take you to the area where you can manage and build your course content. Next, click the Add a New Course button in the top right corner. This opens the course setup screen, where you will enter the basic details for your new course. Add your course name and a short description that clearly explains what the course is about. After that, choose the domain you want to use. Customize the URL path so it looks clean and relevant, and pick the course theme color you prefer. These settings help shape the overall presentation of your course, so it is worth taking a moment to make them clear and organized. When that is done, click Save. This creates the main structure of your online course and gives you a framework you can start building on. Now you can begin adding content. Click Add Module. Type in the name of your first main topic, such as a Getting Started section, and then click Save again. A module works like a section or chapter, so this is where you organize your lessons by topic. Inside that module, click Add Lecture. Enter the name of the lesson, choose a simple and clean page layout template, and click Save. This creates the individual lesson page your students will view. To customize the lesson, click the Edit option, shown with the magic wand icon on the right side of the lecture. This opens the drag-and-drop course builder. Here, you can build the lesson visually. You can drag in a video element to add your recorded teaching content, update the text instructions so students know what to do, and include download buttons if you want to offer supporting resources like worksheets or files. Keep the layout clean so the lesson is easy to follow. Once your edits are complete, click the green Save Changes button in the top right corner. Then click the exit arrow to go back to your course layout. Finally, find the three dots icon next to your lesson and select Activate. This makes the lesson live and available inside your course. On the free plan, you can build one full course and activate as many modules and lessons as you need within that course. That covers everything you need to know.